हूँ सफ़ा। जब मैं दर्पण में देखती हूँ तो मुझे मेरी कहानी याद आती है। मेरे ख्वाहिशें, मेरे सपने, वो तमाम लोग जो मेरा हाथ पकड़कर मुझे यहाँ तक ले आए। साल 2006, हम 4 औरतें, 100 स्क्वायर फीट का कमरा, 2 सिलाई की पुरानी मशीनें और आसमान छू लेने का जज्बा। आज 2013, 400 मेंबर्स, 160 स्कूल जाते हुए लड़कियां और 60 गरीब घरेलू औरतें कमाती हुई। सफा का विजन है पिछड़े वर्ग की औरतों को सामाजिक और आर्थिक तौर से सशक्त करना और लड़कियों को शिक्षा की तरफ ले जाना, उनकी सांस्कृतिक पहचान के साथ। मैं आज की औरत हूँ, उस जमाने की जिसमें लोगों को इंस्टेंट नूडल और इंस्टेंट कॉफी की आदत है। हमने ओबामा की स्वेरिंग सेरेमनी लाइव देखी। हमने बच्चन फैमिली के होने वाले बच्चे की खबर भी ट्विटर पर पाई। मैंने सोचा मैं मेरा काम किस तरह सब तक पहुंचाऊं। Imagine there are no boundaries to sell, to reach out, or to touch someone's heart. ICT is such a tool that takes away all those boundaries that stop you or slow you down. It takes you to a place you have never traveled before and probably never will. चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि नए दौर की टेक्नोलॉजी का हाथ पकड़कर मैंने कैसे परवाज ली।
Good afternoon to the jury and welcome to all the guests and my NGO presenters over here. We use ICT for seamless communication and marketing and fundraising. Seamless communication is with all our stakeholders. Marketing is for marketing the goods that our women make, the marketing of those products, and fundraising is for the various programs and the projects that we wish to run. We started off with web-based technology in which we have set up the website, and right now we are currently using our website for delivering monthly newsletters to nearly 600 stakeholders, people who are well-wishers and who wish to stay connected with us. We do regular updates on our website, and we also have a bilingual feature on our website, which is, we have started this initiative because we have partners in Holland, so it is a Dutch and an English website which we have. The impact that we have achieved through this is effective communication with the existing and prospective stakeholders that we wish to have with our organization. For the purpose of, as we were doing, as we set up our website and we started off our trainings with the women, we had the next big job of marketing the products that our women make, and we use the cheapest and the best and the fastest source of communicating with our stakeholders. We started using the technology of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. So through our Facebook and all the social networking that we do, we have regular campaigns in which we update people on the work that our women are doing and also the events. All these activities that we do are focused around income generation for the women that we are working with. And let me tell you, we are working with nearly 7 slums in Hyderabad, and we are largely working with the Muslim population of women who live below poverty line. The impact that we've achieved through all these campaigns and our presence on social networking is our FB reach is about 623 likes, which is not much compared to all the people who have shown very big numbers here. But we have kept 208 of those people engaged with us actively. We have increased our sales, the sales of the products that our women make greatly, and we have directly impacted 45 women and their families. All these women are the women who have been working with us. We are using case studies for reports and progress on YouTube. We are also raising funds through this. We have also used e-commerce portals, which is websites like Trade India, Just Dial, etc. Okay. Our sales, the result, I'll just tell you about the impact. Our sales have been up by 210% from the year 2011. We have used Skype for conferencing with our consultants, and we have consultancy from across the borders. And we also use an important project is the Vodafone project, in which we do inbound calls to nearly 900 people living below poverty line families. We do public service announcements through this twice a week. So government schemes, minority schemes are always broadcasted through inbound telephone calls. We have very effectively used.
You're completely out of time, sorry. Thank you.
I'm sorry about that, but I think Google AdWords was one of our main. I'll do it when we come to the. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much for listening, everybody. This is our basic website. I'll just show you a couple of things that we have done, which is we have related to social commerce. We have put down our products over here, and there is a photo gallery over there. Sorry.
I think I remember now. I think apart from
Yeah. Yeah, we are doing other products also. We are doing all environment friendly products. They are there on the site. Yeah, we are doing a lot of products and all the pictures are down here, but we don't sell online through this. People are approaching us directly through Facebook or something else, and we are updating it over there. But online right now, through our website, we are not selling. But we have the pictures down over there. What we have done recently is we have also taken in testimonials. We've just started this recently for all the people who are actually buying our products and who would like to comment on them. This is from all over the world that we have taken in orders and people who have commented on our products.
So to understand you correctly, what you're saying is you are only promoting it online, but sales is all offline.
Sales is offline, yeah.
Can I take a question? Can
Yeah.
I ask a
Of course,
question?
yeah, go ahead.
One was that you mentioned that your sales have gone about 210%.
210% raise,
So I
ma'am.
wanted to understand two things. A, in terms of income per household per person who's working on these projects, what is the change you've seen over the 2 years?
See, over the 2 years, what we have done is when we started out, we had a small group of 6 women only, and they could generate an income of about 300 rupees per month. Now, in the past 2 years, that number has gone up to 45 women, and all these women are earning an average of 1,500 rupees a month now.
And is the site is maintained by an administrator. Do you have any of the women who work on the project involved with creating this or involved in any way on trying online promotion?
Creating the site, ma'am, we have a long way to go because we are working with all illiterate women, so we don't expect them to come. But what we have started just last week is a training on video filming. So there's a group of about 8 women who are learning how to operate the video camera and do short films of up to 3 minutes. So they will be now involved in income generating activity for shooting weddings within the community. So they are generating income on that. Yeah, it's there. All our products are on the website actually.
Yeah, so no click on block lines, I think the ad test is there.
No, I don't think it comes up.
There was, remember?
It was somewhere else
We
in the site.
discussed this. We said it's only saying block ads, but then they had a
No, we have a whole lot. Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe it's on the, about us?
It's all our products are also on Facebook, so we do a lot of sales through Facebook actually. Would you like to see the Facebook page?
Go ahead.
Okay, that's fine. Over here. I'll just sign in over here. There's no need to sign it to open it.
Just go down.
No, but I assume the privacy settings.
Yeah.
To sign
are selling this is one of our latest products that we've come out with. These are small pouches that we are selling, all environment friendly. If you move down, these are canvas tote bags that we do. All these are done by women who are totally illiterate, and when they joined us, they didn't even know how to read the measuring tape. This is one of our community programs recently. Some of our products again.
Yeah.
So you spoke about selling through e-commerce portals, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
and the AdWord program that you run.
Thank you for asking me that question. Because I think that's the USP of one of our projects on livelihoods, in which we applied for Google grants, and we were actually looking for free ad space, and we got in the Google grants, and in that we use AdWords very effectively, and we have phenomenal success over that. And what we are doing is we are doing B2B marketing on that, so that has really helped us a lot. And it's a huge amount. Any of the NGOs who are doing social commerce over here, I think you should be applying for Google grants. Believe me, it's really awesome. And we get $10,000 a month on that, and the cost per click maximum that you can go up to is $3. So we have reached out to a lot. I had the figures in my presentation, but I didn't get the time to do it.
And what about the other e-commerce portals from which you're
We have done Trade India. Trade India, we are enlisted with them. We are also listed with other smaller, like Women's Heart, Women on the Web. So we are selling all our products through these different portals also. Because they spend a lot on advertising, and currently it's not our bandwidth to do advertising basically.
In terms of volume, could you tell us like what is the number of products that you sell through or that sell through online means, and the ones that you
We have actually, right now we have 24 products in our portfolio. All these products are environment friendly. And I would say most of the selling that we have done, 90% of our sales has been through online selling only. And all the campaigns that we do on Facebook. The moment we design a new product and we come out with it, we put it up online. And we are concentrating on B2B markets because the number of women that we are working with are huge.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure,
okay, sorry.
sure.
Yeah.
In your presentation, you said that the TradeIndia.com and there was JustDial.com as well. So
Just Dial is an online listing in which we have listed ourselves, and we get in calls for orders through that. Yeah, just the normal one, but we are listed online also on that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will open it to the audience after the end of the session.